Good morning! This is day 19 of 30-day morning yoga challenge. Let's begin today in extended child's pose. You can keep your knees closer or wider apart. Walk your hands forward on the mat as far as you can. You can keep your palms down or fingertips, just so that your elbows stay lifted. Arms extend long, creating some length in the upper body. Breathe here, releasing your hips down to your heels and lengthening forward through your arms. With your next breath, come up to your hands and knees for cat and cow. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your tailbone and chest. Exhale, press the floor away around the back. 2 more rounds, keep moving. Come back to neutral position and lay down to your belly. Extend your arms forward, palms facing each other, point your feet. Then lift your right leg and left arm up. Head stays lifted. Try not to look up too much. Keep the back of the neck long, looking slightly down. One more inhale, try to lift higher. Exhale, release down. Switch to the other side. Lift your right arm up, left leg up. Breathe. One more inhale, try to lift higher. Exhale, release. Lower your forehead down and reach your arms back alongside the body. With your next inhale, lift everything you can from the mat. Upper body, head, legs. And again, don't look up too much, look slightly down, the back of the neck long. Keep reaching back through your fingers. One more deep inhale, lift higher. Exhale, release all the way down. Place your hands underneath your shoulders. Tuck your toes under and press yourself up into downward facing dog. Start with your knees bent. Press down through your hands, lift your hips up, push your belly towards your thighs. And then try to straighten your legs without losing this length in the upper body. One more breath in downward facing dog. And step your right foot forward for high lunge. Lift your arms up to the sky. Take a couple breaths. One more inhale, reach up through the fingertips. Exhale, airplane lunge. Lean your upper body forward, extend arms back. Option to just stay here or do a quick warrior 3 with me. Step your back foot a little closer and then lift it up from the mat. Balance on your right leg. Try to bring your upper body and leg parallel to the ground. Lower your left foot down, airplane lunge. Inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, hands down, step back to downward dog. Then step your left foot between your hands, reach your arms up, a few breaths in high lunge. Weight equally distributed between front and back foot. Inhale, lengthen through the upper body. Exhale, lean your torso forward, arms reach back. More weight into front foot now. And if you did warrior 3 on the other side, step your right foot closer for easier lift. And then take it off from the mat. Balance on your left side. Step back to airplane lunge. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms down, step back to downward dog. Breathe here. Lift your sit bones up to the sky. Press down through the heels. Then walk your feet forward, cross your shins so you end up sitting on the mat, and lay down to your back. Keep your knees bent for bridge pose, feet flat on the mat around hip distance apart, arms alongside the body with palms facing down. Press through your heels and lift your hips up as high as you can. You can stay here or add a bit more shoulder stretch by scooping your shoulder blades closer together and interlacing fingers behind the back on the mat. Press down through your heels, shoulders and hands and lift up through the hips and chest. Take one more breath in your bridge. And then slowly come down to the mat. Draw your knees towards your chest, widen the knees a little, and then grab the outsides of your feet or big toes for happy baby. Gently press your feet down, bringing knees closer to the mat. You can stay still here or rock side to side like a happy baby, massaging the lower back. Release your feet, bring your knees together and lower them to the right for spinal twist. Extend your left arm out to the side and look to your left hand in the opposite direction. Your right hand can stay on top of your left knee, gently pressing it down. Bring your knees back to center and lower them to the left. Extend your right arm out, look to your right. Slowly come back to center. Place your hands behind your knees and rock yourself up to seated or come there any other way. Find a comfortable cross-legged seat. And let's take one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. This was day 19 of our challenge. Thank you for practicing with me. Wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 20. Bye!